Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Nana. I'm a career blogger and a Dubai-based recruitment consultant. I have done thousands of interviews and learned thousands of things from those interviews. I keep sharing my videos about career development and also interview tips. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the types of interview questions, and also I will tell you how to answer them. So stay tuned. Most of the interviews have three types of questions. They are either behavioral questions or situational questions. At the most, there are resume-based questions. So what are behavioral questions? We start explaining with behavioral question and answers. Behavioral questions are the questions in which interviewer is clearly trying to assess your behavior in a certain situation. He cannot ask you things very directly, so the best way to ask those things is in a way which shows your behavior in certain situations. For example, if an interviewer asks you, tell me a time when you had a very difficult boss, how well you managed the situation under him. Tell me a time about when you had a difficult project to work on. Here they are trying to assess your behavior in that project. The best way to answer a behavioral question is by remembering the SAR. SAR stands for situation, results, and action. So you have to comprise these three things, keeping the SAR concept in mind. So you present them with a situation that in my career this happened, and because of this the results were like this, and what I did or what I contributed to bring the situation to those results. So we are keeping in mind the situation, results, and action while answering any of the behavioral question. Now next comes is your situational question. Situational questions could be, are you willing to relocate? It's if given time you are required to relocate to a different place. Or it could be, how much are you willing to travel in a month? This way they are trying to assess you. It's not necessary that you have to travel that much or you have to relocate, but given a situation, they are checking your flexibility. They are also assessing you here how comfortable or flexible you are as a person. So whenever you answer any situational question, show flexibility. Show them that you are okay. When the real situation comes into picture, you can manage it accordingly. But for now, for any situational question, the best way is showing flexibility while answering. Lastly, this is something we all prepare very well in advance. When it comes to resume-based questions, read your resume and look at it from an interviewer's perspective. What he could pick from your resume and ask you. So they would ask you about your experience, they would ask you about the duration of your work, they could ask you about reasons for leaving, they could also ask you something related to your qualification, certification. Probably you've mentioned something in your summary which is I'm this, I have done this. They would ask you to give you an example. Give us an example of when and where you worked under pressure during your tenure. So these are resume based questions. So look at your resume, see what kind of difficult questions they could ask. You should have your dates on the tips, you should have your qualification, your certification, dates literally crammed by heart. So that really helps. I hope you liked today's video. Do subscribe to my channel if you are looking for some more career tips. I do make a lot of videos about interviews, about career development. Do share it with anybody whom you think will be benefited from my videos, and keep watching. Thank you for today.